Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another skating video. Today I'm going to share some tips and exercises for the combo spin that includes a camel to sit to scratch spin. So first exercise is to just learn how to balance in these positions. So a great way is to take it step by step. So first going into a nice shoot the duck and then up into the scratch spin position. You want to make sure that you go down gradually and not falling down, but going as low as you can, of course. Your arms are stretched in front and so is your leg. And then if you're ready, you can add in the camel spin position into it as well. So just doing a camel spin position, going into the shoot the duck or sit spin, and then coming up into the scratch spin. This is going to help you strengthen your entire body, and please do both sides. Next up is to learn the spin step by step. So what would be perfect is if you learn all of the positions first. So learning a nice camel, learning a nice sit spin and scratch spin before you start any of this. Then taking it apart. So for example, starting with a nice sit spin position and then going into the scratch spin. Before you start adding in the camel, you want to make sure that whenever you do any of these changes, it's all gradual. And of course, when you're ready, after you've perfected the sit spin to scratch spin, you want to add in the camel spin. So adding the camel is going to make this spin a little bit slower, so don't worry if at the beginning it just doesn't go. It takes time to learn these positions. And another thing you want to make sure is that when you're going from the camel to the sit spin, that your leg stays stretched and you're kind of bringing that leg around and into the sit spin. And then when you go into the sit spin and then up into the scratch spin, you want to make sure that it's also a gradual pull. You want to stand up first and then pull into the scratch spin. So no rushing at any point. I'm even going to show you a very slow-mo version of the spin that's in real time. So here I do the camel, and then you can see my leg goes around into the sit spin. It stays stretched. Then I stand up first, and then I do the scratch spin. So I don't blend the whole spin in together, if you know what I mean. So I take my time. So some of the mistakes I'll go through is what I've been mentioning, is doing the camel and then bending your leg and going into the sit spin, which really hurts the momentum. Second mistake is to go from the sit spin really quickly into the scratch spin, or at any point in the spin. You don't want to rush it. You don't want to rush from the camel to the sit or the sit to the scratch. So guys, that's everything. That's all I can share for today. If you want to see more combo spins, please let me know. And if you aren't already, please subscribe. It really helps my channel get noticed. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!